Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the text size on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on your home screen you want to open up settings. So in here tap on settings on the home screen. And in settings you want to go down and tap on display and brightness. Next, go down and tap on text size, and in here drag on the text slider bar. So drag on the text size slider bar to the left to make the text smaller, or if you want to increase the font size, you want to drag it all the way to the right. And that's it. So that's how you can change the text size on your iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.